Hello everybody. Today we're going to do F major 7, okay, in different places on the neck. Probably the easiest one is this guy right here. So you're going to start off with your ring finger on the D string on the 3rd fret, your middle finger on the G string on the 2nd fret, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string. The E string stays open. It's a 4-string strum. Should sound like that. Nice sounding chord. Okay, down here we still have another F major 7. Looks like this. Let me get it right. You could play it as a 6-string strum, you could play it as a 4-string strum, or you could play it as a 5-string strum. It's all up to you. So anyway, the layout is your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the low E string, your you know what, just dawned on me, this really is, it looks like an A minor. If you learned how to play an A minor, then if you use the alternate form of A minor, and you just put your pointer finger down on the 1st fret, then you have an F major 7. So you can, if you want, mute the A string, or you could let it ring. So if you mute it, you have this. And if you let it ring, you have this. So that would be a 5-string, muted, 4-string. And if you wanted to add in the high E is also part of the chord. So as a 6-string with the A string ringing free, okay, you have that. So if you wanted to, you could mute the A string and play. So anyway, a lot of combinations. And if I didn't go through the layout, pointer finger, 1st fret, low E string. The D string, fret 2, has your ring finger. G string, fret 2, has your pinky, and 1st fret of the B string has your middle finger. Okay. Another F major 7 sits right over here. So the way you get there is you put your middle finger to cover the D string and the A string at the 3rd fret. Then you use your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and take your pinky and cover the B string and the E string, and you have this. Whoops. 5-string strum. Okay. How about another F major 7? Okay, here it comes. 3rd fret, put your pointer finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, and then take your ring finger and bar the G, the B, and the E. You got that. 4-string strum. If you want, you could add a bass note by covering the A string and the D string with your pointer finger. Up to you. Alright, here's another F major 7. Whoops, that's an F. F major 7. Right there. Okay, so you're going to take your pinky on the 8th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and then you're going to bar the G, the B, and the E, and it's a 5-string strum. Okay, another nice one is over here. So your pointer finger is on the 8th fret of the A string. Your ring finger is on the 10th fret of the D string. Your middle finger is on the 9th fret of the G string, and your pinky is on the 10th fret of the B string. And it's a 4-string strum. Another F major 7 would be to bar these 4 strings, the D, the G, the B, and the E at the 10th fret, and then put your pinky on the 12th fret. And that's an F major 7. Okay, another F major 7 is right over here, also 4-string strum. It's basically the same chord as this that we learned at the beginning, which is played this way, but it would be played in an alternative fingering, which is also, you could use this alternative fingering down here, where your pinky is on the D string 3rd fret, your ring finger is on the G string 2nd fret, and your middle finger is on the 1st fret of the B string. And again, it's just rings. Now if you take this as a unit, slide it all the way up so that your pointer finger is on the 12th fret. Strum 4 strings. Okay, and now we also have an F major 7 over here, which is an octave above this one. So if you take this position, slide it all the way up here, you got the same F major 7, just an octave higher. Point the finger on the 13th fret of the low E string, ring finger on the 14th fret of the D string, your middle finger is on the 13th fret of the B string, and the pinky is on the 14th fret of the G string. That about covers F major 7.